To create a new invoice, click on the green New Invoice button. The screen you are currently on is where you create your invoice before sending it to your customer. The page is divided into 3 sections. The first is for selecting or creating a new customer. The second is for settings, and the third is for the invoice itself. Select a customer from the drop-down menu, or create a new customer. You can specify whether this is an invoice or a draft, the number of due days, and the currency of the invoice. Next, you can provide an invoice heading that will be shown at the top of the invoice lines. This is used to specify what the invoice is for. To add items to the invoice, you have a few options. You can manually type a description in the description box, add a price and quantity, or select an item or service from the drop-down menu. You can also add a pure text field if you need to enter more text describing the item or service. You can rearrange the order of the invoice lines by clicking and dragging anywhere on the invoice line. To delete an invoice line, click on the trash can symbol on the right. The totals on the invoice will automatically update as you add new invoice lines or change the amounts. To preview your invoice, click on the preview link. When everything looks good, click on the green Create Invoice button.